Morning everyone, said it all your cars. We've got another Peugeot 3008 for you. 2015 in the year, 2 litre HDI model, 160 horsepower, 6-speed auto. It's the Allure model, so it's the top of the range. Finished in Barasque blue with a partial leather. 77,000 miles, 7 services, and very, very nice condition throughout. We like these cars here. They're really good, far superior to the 1600s. These have got a proper automatic gearbox. This one rides on the 18-inch alloys, which are all unmarked. We've got Vredestein tyres all round, brand new discs and pads on the front. Very, very, very clean and tidy. Front and rear parking sensors with reverse camera. Got your privacy glass. All fully valeted and machine polished, of course. That's all of our cars are. Very nice indeed. Comes with an MOT, a 3-month warranty, all in the price. There's no admin fees. The price you see is the price you pay. We'll show you inside. Beginning the boot. A split tailgate in the 3008. That's your top boot open. And lower tailgate. And the split floor is removable and interchangeable at different heights for whatever suits you best. And we've also got the torch present. Inside we've got the black leather and cloth. Well, it's just missed a bit there, look. Get that sorted. But as you can see, the seats really are immaculate. We've got Isofix, got your centre armrest. We've even got blinds in the back and your big panorama roof. Underfloor storage for the kids. In the front, of course, we've got the same interior. All very, very, very nice with little to no wear. With your 3-spoke steering wheel. Got your audio controls and your cruise controls. On the back, you've got folding mirrors, electric windows all round, auto lights and wipers. Head-up display, sat-nav, CD, MP3 and media with Bluetooth audio, dual climate control. Yeah, you can see for yourself the condition is absolutely excellent. The mileage is 77,782, and I will just start the car now so you can see there's no warnings. So, no warnings, all your lights illuminating out as they should. No nasties at all. Got that head-up display there, if you can see it on the camera, there you go. Over here, you've got your radio with your navigation. Can't remember how you get the map up. Either way, it's got navigation. Oh, there we go, that button there, look. Ta-da! Tech genius. We've also got auxiliary input, USB, CD and BT streaming, so you can stream your music from your phone, providing your phone is compatible obviously. And we've got reverse camera, just like that. Okay, parking sensors are working. Sunshade blind, all working, and that really is it. As I've said, these are fantastic cars, they're great value. Much, much, much better than the 1600 diesel version. Give us a call. we'll get you booked in for a test drive on 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.